Alright guys, in the VN, these are the speakers we are putting into the front of the car. This is JBL by Harman. These are the Club 4020s. They're not an overly expensive speaker, but I've picked these ones mainly because of their efficiency rating, so they don't take a lot of power to get good sound out of them. I'm not sure if you'll see it on the box. Any English would be nice. No, must be in the manuals. Okay. Anyway, so factory speakers from Malaysia. You'll see there it says nominal 15 watts. Nominal is basically the same as RMS, and then maximum 30. On our new JBLs, these are a 30 watt RMS and a 90 watt peak. I'm not fussed about the 90 watt peak. It really doesn't make any difference to me. The RMS figure is the end all be all of ratings, and that is always the number you should look at when buying speakers, subwoofers, amplifiers, that kind of thing. I also wanted these ones because the tweed on the middle is very flush with the top, so it'll sit underneath our grille quite nicely. A lot of manufacturers, the tweeter sits proud and you'll never get that plastic back on. So these are really good. Depth wise, they are a bit deeper. Okay, now a general rule is if you've got a deeper cone, you can move more air, which means more bass. I think from memory these things go down to about 45 Hz. In this situation we're not going to do that because we're running rear speakers and a sub as well, so these will be high pass, probably 120, 150, so they're not struggling at all. But my biggest problem, as you can see, is 3 mounting points versus 4 mounting points. Anyway, we'll get onto that and see how we get on.